G'day guys, welcome back to another video. This time we've finally got Lando out. It's been a while, but we got the diff all sorted last night, all fixed up. And this is the post-lockdown 2020 off-road trip. We've all met up and we're gonna hit the Ashley River. Obviously we're social distancing, keeping ourselves apart. And it's gonna be an awesome day out. Can't wait to finally get on the tracks, especially in this thing. Anyway, we're gonna air down and we'll get into it from here. Alright guys, well, looks like we're about to get underway. I got my mate Brad along with me today. Hopefully you'll be seeing a bit more of him in the future because he's got something coming up. And Callum's here in his blue Zook as well, so should be a good trip. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, well as you can see most of the group's behind me, just waiting on hitting the tracks, but yeah, I can't wait to get into it. It's been so long since this thing's been out, but yeah, looks like we've already got one stuck, so we'll get into it and yeah, should be a good day. Alrighty guys, we've probably been going for like half an hour. Far out, it's good to be back in this truck. It's just like, you forget how good it is. Already showed up a couple of the bigger trucks, so that's always good. But yeah, no, it's going awesome. We've finally started to get in a bit more water again because it seemed a bit dry to start with. But yeah, we'll just keep on making our way up the river. I'm sure there'll be some entertainment somewhere along the line, so stay tuned for that. We'll get going. Hey, can we get rid of the kids here? No. Why not? Yeah, I'll grab like. Yeah. Just big no. Oh guys, unfortunately I didn't get there in time to film it, but that truck right there, that was literally completely under bar just a little bit of the back of the roof, but there's a deep water hole, so it's kind of stopped the trip, but see if they get it running again and then we'll continue on. not every day you see a Touareg going off-roading. It's awesome. Well, he drove it. Go on. Oh no, someone else. He didn't drive it. That's embarrassing when you can't get proper. Look how quick that winch is.
Too easy. She's working hard.
Alrighty guys, unfortunately we came across the VW Touareg and sucked a bit of water in and yeah, game over. So we're going to pull it out to the nearest ford and we're going to pull it out to the nearest ford and continue on. So yeah, sucks for them, but is what it is. There you go. Alright guys, well we've dropped those guys off. Really feel for them because that's not going to be a cheap fix. But anyway, me and Callum, and we're going to try to get up to the gorge quick. Yeah, ready to go home. So let's hit it. We'll get into some speedier stuff. Alrighty guys, well, that's that for the 2020 and hopefully the only post-lockdown river run. It was awesome, great day out. I wish I got more shots of my truck, but next week we're headed to the coast along with Callum and a couple of other guys, so many videos coming. But yeah, we'll get into the Reefton trip in probably 2 weeks time. I think I'll miss next Monday's upload because I'll still be playing on the coast, but I hope you guys enjoyed. It's been awesome. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it because that's really appreciated. A lot of work goes into these videos. Hate asking, but you know, never hurts. And yeah, hit subscribe to stay tuned for more. As I say, plenty in the pipeline, and yeah, hopefully he's gonna have a truck soon as well.
Hopefully.
Alrighty, catch you in the next one guys. Cheers, see ya.